Hey guys, I'm so excited to be here. I just want to talk about today how difficult conversations don't have to be so difficult. And the thing that I changed in my relationship that actually changed the game when it came to communication. So here we go. First of all, I just want to say we really welcome conversation. So if you go down in the comments, talk to us. I'm gonna also, after this video, I'm gonna post a connection or a link words. I'm gonna post down a link to do a call with us. Me and my wife, we help Christians heal their hearts and relationships so they can thrive in what God's called them to. And we are actually really mentoring people in their relationships right now. We're seeing amazing things be healed, like pornography, which also is like healing connection between relationships. These are things that I got healed from, and we're seeing marriages get closer, more intimate, more trust, more safety in marriages and relationships in general. Families come back together, and these are the things that me and my wife also experienced. So here we go. These are the things that are that will make difficult conversations less difficult. So our goal in conversations is actually really important. And so often, without even realizing it, our goal is to agree, right? We want to agree on something that we disagree. Here's the shift that will change your relationship. This will cause a more and more safety, intimacy in your relationship. This will cause resolution as well. So in a relationship, actually, the goal is not agreement. We don't need. That's not the most important thing. Well, it is something that's really nice to agree on something. That is not the goal that will keep your relationship thriving and amazing. The goal is connection. Connection is key to a thriving relationship. So when I was having conversations with my wife, let's say, we were disagreeing about something. We were arguing about hey, I like it this way, you like it this way. The amazing shift that happened when connection was my goal was that I suddenly started putting myself in her shoes and thinking, wow, okay, this is really painful for her, or she really dislikes this. And so it really shifts it to, and it causes the moment of communication to bring intimacy, because now I'm more focused on understanding her. Now I'm more focused on getting to get a view into her life, into what she heard, what was happening when I said something, or instead of it being about oh yeah, it's too cold in the car, it's too hot in the car, these crazy things that we just want to agree on and we can never agree on. It's just blocking it. So try this. Instead of your goal being to agree, think of the next time that you're in a relationship, or that you're in a conversation where you're just struggling. Start thinking about this. Shift how you're going into it, and make your personal goal to connect with your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, boyfriend, friend, all of that, and tell me how it goes, because it's going to change your relationship if your goal is connection instead of agreement. Agreement's important. Connection is even more important, because it will grow that ability to be on the same page and to understand each other. That's way more important. So guys, we would love to connect with you. We have the Eden Intensive, where we mentor Christians in their relationships with each other, and we do that by healing the way that you relate with yourself, and because when you're hurting and you have pain that's blocking you from being able to connect with others, when you have all these triggers that are coming up, it actually causes disconnect and triggers, and there is a way through this. So in our Eden Intensive, we mentor Christians, and if any of this is connecting with you, I just want to encourage you, comment below, say I'm interested, and we will connect with you. We're really excited to connect with Christians and help them heal their relationships with themselves and their relationships with others. So connect below, say I'm interested, and we will literally connect with you, and we're really excited to talk with you. And but yeah, if you're feeling like man, I think I really like am feeling like disconnected in my marriage, or I'm feeling really like I want closer friendships or relationships, or that there's something like more to be had, like you're just like, oh, there's this yearning inside of you. This is what I'm talking about. This can happen. You have that yearning because it's real, that there's actually something you can do about this. So I'm really excited to connect with you guys and have you guys reach out. So comment below. I'm also going to put the link to our booking a call with us personally, so you can just even jump on and do this yourself. And I have a feeling like some people are really going to want to do this. So I'm going to throw that down below. But I look forward to talking with you, and thank you so much for jumping on and taking your time here. Love you guys, and talk to you guys soon. Okay.